Hope you're all okay. Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. I've got a new helmet from trusty old sports bike shop. Shop with them for years, you know, I always trust them no matter what I buy. I don't know if it's just me, but am I the only one that laughs at that? Maybe that's just me. But anyway, yeah, let's crack on with getting this unboxed and you'll see what's inside in a minute. Right guys, well, I've just tried it on. It fits really nice in. I'll show you what it looks like on as well. But it feels really comfortable, really plush, and obviously really light, being a carbon fibre helmet. What you get in the pack, let's just show you. So bubble wrap, everyone needs bubble wrap. I'm guessing this is like a manual or something. Is that a sticker? Ah. Oh fuck. I'm not the I'm not the most... Oh, that slid out. I just ripped the fucker. But anyway, you get that thing, bit of cardboard with some paper in it. And you get a nice sticker. You get instruction, it's for the intercom. You get an owner's manual, which I'm guessing, yeah, shows you how to take the visor on and off, which I've already figured out. It's not that difficult. Cheek pad installation, so just your general guide, and then another guide. In different languages, okay. I'm guessing this just talks you through other stuff. This is probably a generic HJC one, whereas this is the specific helmet type. So you get a clear visor with no pin lock, but Sports Bike Shop were doing a good deal where you actually get a dart visor free included. So you get the dart visor as well, and you also get a 1-pin lock. So I'm going to use this pin lock on the dart visor, and then I'll get this fitted and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll be back with you in a sec. Okay guys, so that's the dart visor fitted with pin lock. Ignore all the fingerprints, I'm going to have to give this a clean, but that's the dart visor fitted. Doesn't look tremendously dark, I've got to be honest, but yeah, you know what I mean, it doesn't look that dark, does it? But I mean, if that's what they claim is the dart visor, then that's the dart visor, I suppose, you know. It's probably just a light smoke one, but if necessary I'll get a darker one. But that's what the helmet looks like. Nice carbon, and it's really light. It feels really light. You got the visor mechanism here. You got the I think it's the breath guard or whatever you call it. Just stop the breath getting on the visor. So that, and then the lock there, and that's locked. And then you just push that up to open it. So I'll show you what it looks like now with it on.